Hello chums, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'm going to talk about 20-mile-an-hour speed limit areas. I've just come through Oxfordshire and I've travelled through probably half a dozen what I'd call villages really. So they weren't really towns, they were villages, and the speed was reduced in every single one of them to 20 miles an hour. I came through from where Clarkson's farm is, Diddley Squat, through towards Upper Hayford, and they didn't seem worthy of a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit. I guess they used to be 30, but they were reduced to 20. Now this one I'm about to show you was probably the last village I came through before I got to Upper Hayford, and again it was speed reduced to 20 miles an hour. When you look at the video, you'll see that the roads are quite wide. There's nothing close to the road. There's no schools, there's no shops. There's a set of traffic lights, which are obviously controlled by traffic lights, which shouldn't be a problem. But tell me if you think that warranted or this video warrants a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit. They seem to be being put all over the country. I know that Wales tried a scheme a while back where every town and village was reduced to 20 miles an hour, but they switched it all back to the original speed limits because it was just unworkable. So have a look at this video and tell me what you think. Maybe you've got a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit near you. Maybe you live in a 20-mile-an-hour zone, and if you think it's a good idea or a bad idea, put your comments down, but watch the video and tell me what you think. Thank you. So I'm just coming into a 20-mile-an-hour zone, and in this video I'm going to question what they're all about because I don't quite understand them. They give you these little signs on the left with a smiley face, and if you go slightly over, there's an angry face staring at you. So this is 20 miles an hour through here, and I'm looking for a reason for 20. It used to be 30, I would imagine, or maybe even 40, I don't know, 30 probably. Is that a school on the left? Don't think it is. It's wide roads. No, it's not a school. Community Speed Watch sign. So we're coming up to a set of traffic lights. The road narrows slightly, but I still can't see any reason why it should be 20. I think this is happening all over the country. I know they tried it in Wales a while back, and they've switched all the speed limits back to what they used to be because they just found it was unworkable. So I need to turn left here. So there's a bit of a sharp turn, but nothing really. So it's still in a 20. It's a really wide road. Now, in my opinion, this should be 30 or maybe even 40, but 20 seems painfully slow. The only thing I can think is that even despite the fact that cars have become so sophisticated that they can stop on a sixpence, you know, they're really well built, constructed, designed, I just think it must be because drivers now are distracted so much. So we're now up to 30. Even this seems a bit slow for this particular bit of road. But yeah, no, I think it's I think drivers now drive with their face in their mobile phones, and I think they're legislating for that. We're now into 60. This is right, 60 for this stretch of road. I think that's good. But that's all I can think it is that they're legislating, they're bringing all the speeds down because basically people are driving distracted. They're with their faces in their mobile phones all the time. I mean, people are addicted to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to Instagram, whatever. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me if you think there's a different reason for the 20-mile-an-hour speed limits everywhere, because certainly that little town little village I came through there, I felt didn't warrant a 20 miles an hour. But give me your comments below, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, like and share. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.